Hello everyone, so welcome back. Today we're going to solve a differential equation, but it's implicit differential equation. We're going to use a question from 2023 VCE Specialist Math Exam 1, question 4. Before I start and show you how to solve this question, I'd like to continue to ask everyone to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss the latest updates. And we now complete about 111 videos so far. So if you subscribe the channel, you'll get a benefit of access all those more than 100 videos. So that's good news. So hopefully you will just click the button of the bell. So you don't need to, doesn't cost you anything. Just click the button. Thank you. All right. So we got a implicit equation. So we got x. So this can be also written as sine inverse. Arc sine means sine inverse. Y squared equal to pi. So we need to find out what is dy dx. All right, so let's do that. So I'm going to use the implicit differentiation. So first I'm going to write down the question again into inverse y squared plus equal to pi. So we do left-hand side. Now this is the product. So product, we do a product rule. We're using so first derivative of x is 1. So y squared plus x times by derivative of inverse sine. So let me just give you the formula. The inverse of sine, let's say ax, is equal to 1 over 1 bracket a square x. So that's the general formula for inverse of sine. So so we got d sine inverse of ax with respect to x is 1 over. So this is the formula. Sorry, we're missing an a in the top. So a on the top. So at the moment, so the ax is y squared. So therefore, we multiply by a is 1. So square root of a1 minus ax is y squared, then squared again. So I put a 4. And so that's the left-hand side of the inequality, implicit differentiation, but we haven't finished yet. We needed to say, then the y squared, derivative of y squared is 2y, then times by y dash. So don't forget y squared differentiate is 2y times by derivative of y with respect to x. So don't forget to put that equal to 0. So now we're going to move to the next stage. We got to change y to the left because we want a dy dx. So move everything to the right. So first I'll move negative inverse of y squared to the right. Then I'm going to divide by, so you got x, 2y. So I'll put a 2xy underneath. Then multiply by this to the top. So that's my dy dx formula. So we substitute the point at this point, 6, and y is square root of Once divided by square root 2, we must substitute into the dy dx when x is a 6, y is square root 2, 1 over square root 2, so we will be equal to, so 1 sine inverse of y is square root 2 divided by 1 divided by square root 2 to the power of 2 become half. And then 2 times by 6 times by y is square root 2 divided by 2 times by square root of 1. Y to the power of 4 become y to the power of just 1/2. Actually, is 1/2 square. That's a square and a quarter. So now we will have the simplification now. So this sine inverse of half is, so we know is negative pi over 6. So these 2 cancel down. So the answer will be 6 square root of 2 times by square root of 3 over 4. So if I'm going to undo, so we got negative pi over 636 and square root 2 times by 2 over square root 3. So we also need to combine into more simplified versions. So it'll be 72 square root 2 and pi over times by square root 3. So now we're going to rationalize the denominator. So times by square root 2 both, and so the answer will be 144, because square root 2 times by square root is 2. 2 times by 77 is 144, and top is pi square root 6. So that's our answer. So finished. That's the derivative of implicit function with regards to sine inverse. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, give us the thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.